So let's create the navigation bar in our landing page. So for that, what we'll be doing is we'll be grabbing the navigation component, which is nothing but this one, the navbar, and then we'll be modifying it accordingly. So as you can see, we have kind of similar behavior in here. You can see we have a navbar and the container, the brand, toggle, collapse, all these things we have. So simply we can copy this and we can create a components folder, and inside that we can create our reusable components. So let's name it navbar, and we can simply add it. Wait, we can use the RFCE code snippet, and we can simply export it. Let's copy the imports as well, and these all will be from React Bootstrap itself, so that will be easier. Now what we can do is we can just use this in a separate page. Let me just create pages folder, and inside that let me just create a landing or home page, whatever you feel like naming it. If I just add RFCE here, and let me just import the navbar. You can see navbar is imported. Now if I just add it one heading here, let's say some title, and if I just grab that here, landing, and we can remove this button, we don't need it, so we can remove it. If I do that, okay, wait, okay, so we should not name it navbar itself because we are already using navbar. So let's name it navigation. Oh, so it should be here, and in the landing we can name it navigation as well. If I do that, that should not have any problem. Yeah. So you can see we have created our navigation. Now what we'll be doing is, also this is following the bootstrap behavior, so it will be responsive itself, so we don't need to worry about that also, right? So this is the navigation. Now what we'll be doing is we will be uh, setting it up in here. Let's just add simple logo. For the logo, what we can do, we can add flat icon, go inside the flat icon website and choose a logo. Let's find an elephant, any logo you can decide. I think elephant doesn't make sense, but let's just add a logo. We can decide any logo from here. So these are all famous logos. Let's just pick any of that. Okay, so let's name it. This G is like Google, so let's pick it up. We can download it and that will be downloaded, and then we can make use of it. Why does it take longer? Just leave it now. Let me just add a logo later and we can change the links for now. So this is the link, and I think instead of nav links we can make use of link component, but we haven't added any routes. So in the next video we'll be adding some routes so we can test it out. For now let's just leave it as it is, and we'll do that in the next video. Thank you for watching.